Welcome back to Cars Updates, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Fit, a compact hatchback that's been redesigned to meet the needs of modern drivers. Design. The exterior of the 2025 Fit has a sleek, modern look that combines style with functionality. The front grille is bolder, and the LED headlights give it a distinctive presence on the road. The compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, while the hatchback design ensures you'll have plenty of cargo room for all your gear. Plus, with a variety of vibrant color options, you can easily express your personal style. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a thoughtfully designed interior that balances comfort and practicality. The seats are supportive, making long drives a breeze, and the cabin is spacious for a subcompact car. The Honda Fit is equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system featuring a touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and available navigation. There's also ample storage throughout the cabin, including clever compartments to stow away your essentials. And let's not forget about the versatility of the Magic Seat, allowing you to configure the rear seats in multiple ways to accommodate different types of cargo. Performance. The 2025 Honda Fit delivers a smooth ride and responsive handling. Its lightweight design contributes to agile maneuverability, making it fun to drive whether you're navigating city streets or taking on winding country roads. The suspension has been fine-tuned to strike a balance between comfort and sportiness, ensuring you feel connected to the road without sacrificing ride quality. Plus, with impressive fuel efficiency ratings, you won't have to stop for gas as often, allowing you to enjoy your adventures even more. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cars Updates for more automotive news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.